Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your age on Z League. So I'm in the app now, and if you do go into settings and look for your age or your date of birth, you'll find that you cannot actually change it in the app because in the beginning of the startup or sign in process, they state that your age cannot be changed in the app. So what we can do here is go out of here and you can jump into Google and you can dial in Z League support. And if you come down here, you will find this email address and you'll be able to contact this support team via email. So once you've done so, you can now just tap on that link and you'll get into your default email app. And here you can just type in a subject like change age in app, and then you can just compose your email. You can explain why you would like to change your age, and then you can send this email off and it'll go to the support team and you'll be able to then have your age rectified. One of the other ways of doing this is if you still have a relatively new app or account, you can go ahead and actually just reopen a new account using a different email address or a different phone number. If this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like. We'll see you next time.